In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a Canva website. If you've shared a site that isn't ready, your event has ended, or you simply want to make updates without an audience, unpublishing is the cleanest way to take it offline without deleting your work. The design stays in your account, and you can republish it at any time. Start by opening Canva in your browser or app and logging in. Make sure you're in the correct account and workspace where the site was created. If you manage multiple teams or personal spaces, switching to the right one ensures you'll see the correct projects. Once you're in, go to the Websites tab. This is the central hub for your live sites, showing everything you've published from Canva. It's designed to help you manage multiple websites easily, so you don't have to dig through individual designs just to change their status. Find the website you want to take down. Look for the title and thumbnail you recognize, and take a moment to confirm it's the exact site you intend to remove from public view, especially if you have similar versions or drafts. Next, click the Publish Website button next to that site. Even though it sounds like you're about to publish again, this button actually opens the publishing settings. Think of it as the control center for what's live and what isn't. Inside the settings, select Unpublish Website. This tells Canva to remove your site from the web and disconnect it from the shareable link. You're not deleting the design, just turning off public access. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Unpublish again to confirm. This extra step prevents accidental takedowns and ensures you're intentionally making the site private. After a brief moment, your site will no longer be accessible by its link. Anyone who tries to visit will find that the page can't be reached. If you've shared the URL widely, remember it won't load again until you republish. Occasionally, a browser might cache an old version for a short time. Refreshing or trying a different browser will reflect the change. Your design remains safely saved in Canva. You can continue editing, reorganizing, or rebuilding in private. When you're ready to go live again, return to the same place, open the Publish settings, and choose Publish Website to restore access. That's all it takes to unpublish. Log in, open the Websites tab, select your site, open the Publish settings, unpublish, and confirm. It's quick, reversible, and gives you full control over when your content is visible. Thanks for watching, and keep this guide handy for the next time you need to take a site offline with confidence.